Hey, y'all see me. Look, I know y'all can see the little weight in there. I gained some weight. I apologize. Look, it's fixed now. Look, is it? Sorry. Listen, Chris Newton here, right? Chris Newton here, real estate agent in New York. Don't get me to singing. Ha ha. Don't get me to singing. So, welcome back, Chris Newton, New York. Chris Newton, New York. I should actually make that a Chris Newton, New York. This is Chris Newton's New York. Ooh, that's fire. Oh, I think I might have ripped one of my. Hey, all right, so Chris Newton here. Chris Newton, New York. Y'all just whoop! It's with me. Real estate agent out of New York. Represent all 5 boroughs. Manhattan and Brooklyn is where you'll find me the most, but I'm everywhere. So, today, in this video, what I wanted to do is have a talk with you guys, right? Have a talk with you agents. It's about being transparent. It's about being transparent with everybody around you, not just your brain fart, not just your buyers and sellers, renters, landlords, whoever. It's really about everybody, right? It's really about everybody around you, all right? Your colleagues, your broker, so on and so forth. Closed mouths don't get fed ever, ever, ever. So understand that, right? So, hold on, let's adjust the light a little bit. I feel like I'm too whoa. That is a lot. There we go. That's a lot better. So look, y'all with me. Y'all feel me? Y'all see the growth. Don't play. All right, so I do this video the way I do. I do these videos the way I do it, so you guys can, one, not only see my growth as a real estate agent out of New York, Chris Newton, New York. That's fire. I really do these videos the way I do them, like the style that I do them, so you guys can understand the reality of being an agent, right? It's not just this is how you should do this, and this is how you cold call, and this is how you blah, 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 and scripts and things like that. No, it's really an in-depth look and reality check on what it is to be a real estate agent, because social media is a lie, right? $1 million listing, things like that, it's all lies. You know, they chop down a year and a half, maybe 2-year process to maybe 5 to 6 minutes on television, and it catfishes a lot of people. You know, not just agents that get into the business thinking it's that easy, but as well as a lot of consumers, buyers, sellers, renters, so on and so forth. So I really, really, really urge you guys to be as transparent as possible when you're dealing with people. You know, if you don't believe you can help somebody, tell them. Yeah, it's a commission. Yeah, okay, it's a check. I need it. Tell them, because it's very, very, very hurtful to the realtor community, to the real estate agent community, when we have a bunch of agents that know they can't help somebody, but still try it because they need a commission. So it affects everyone, right? Now, you're probably thinking, what's going on? You're probably thinking, well, what they got to do with me? The whole thing is, if somebody else is doing it, it can affect you, right? So it has to start somewhere. And this is a big reason why we get a bad rap as agents, as brokers, as salespersons, because a lot of us are just out for the commission, which is not fair. It's not nice. It's very corny, and it hinders the whole process. Again, I always bring it back to the commission. This is a big reason as to why, you know, a lot of agents are fighting the cold commission. 6%. Let's do 4. Let's do 3. Let's do 2. Let's do, you know, and it kind of makes people feel like we're going to be obsolete. Why? Because we just can't be honest. Listen, this is why I'm worth 6%. If you don't feel like you're worth 6%, this is why find out why you should be worth 6%, right? If you really feel in your heart this listing is $700,000 overpriced, you got to let them know. Don't tell them, yeah, that's a great price, we can sell it. And then it expires, and then the seller is mad with you. If you wasn't going to sell it, think about it like this. Before you got that listing, you didn't sell that property, right? You got the listing overpriced and it didn't sell. So when you think about it, you're in the same space financially and resume-wise as you was before you got the listing, after the listing. It didn't sell, right? So you didn't sell that property. So what changes? The sellers and the seller's family who was depending on that money, right? They were depending on that money. They were believing in you, in the realtor community, right? A lot of these things were going on, and you didn't think about the bigger picture. You don't think about the bigger picture like, oh wow, like now do your research on comps, right? Learn how to run proper comps, right? And let the seller know, I can appreciate that you want to sell your property at $2 million. You want to get the most money. You've been here for a certain amount of years, has a level of significance to you. I can appreciate that. And everything in this area that's comparable to yours is trading at 1.3. Now, yeah, they might not be as nice as yours, but this is what the buyers are looking at. The buyers are saying, okay, the walls are white, this is here, however, I'm going to take everything out and make my own touch to it. So then why would I pay $700,000 more for this place because it's special to them and not special to me, when I can buy this at 1.3 or 1.5 and bring them down or whatever, and spend $400,000 of my own money, fix it up, and still come out $300,000 under than what I would have done with your property. This is what you gotta to effectively get across to your sellers. And then let it be their decision. So now, in the event you still take the listing overpriced and it doesn't sell, you're not to blame. The real estate community, the real estate agent / broker community isn't to blame. You get it? You told them what it was, right? You sent the message back in the email and everything. As per our conversation, this is what was discussed. Boom, 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 boom. You understand? As soon as it's done. So now it's, the reason it didn't sell is because it was overpriced. And you had this conversation with me because I sent this in an email to you as well. I already expressed to you that this property should be listed at maybe 1.4 and it'll trade somewhere around 1.3. I already expressed to you that, okay, you want to sell you want it to be done with the closing in 2 months. However, days on the market over here in this area, 4 months on the market on average at this price. We're not even at this price, we're at a higher price point. So it's going to sit on the market for a longer time. These are things that you have to do. You have to be transparent. It is a must. It is an absolute must. Also, let the buyers know what's wrong. Look, your budget is this. This is what's happening over here. This is what we can expect. Boom, 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 boom. I can't guarantee this. Boom, 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 boom. You have to let them know. You understand? We always got mad at Mr. G, the weatherman. We always got mad at Mr. G. But guess what? Real estate agents are the same. We don't know exactly dollar for dollar, cent for cent, exactly how much this thing is going to trade for, right? He doesn't know if it's really going to rain this day. Studies show that we have a percentage, a 70% chance of rain or a 90% chance of rain. So yeah, more than likely it's going to rain, but guess what? There's still that 10% chance that it might not rain. You get it? So yeah, things over here are trading for 1.3. Not saying you can't get 1.5. Not saying it. I'm also not saying you won't trade at 1.1. What I am saying is that nothing over here is trading at 2 million. That's what I'm saying. This is how we're gonna boom, 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 boom. And if another realtor wanna lie to them to get the listing, let them lie. Be the honest real estate agent. Be the honest real estate agent. All right? That's it for this video right here. Chris Newton. Appreciate you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Later.